when I think about LiTime is not only their brand philosophy, but why they do what they do. And they want to make one of the most eco-friendly batteries that they have out there and be able to change the ecosystem in a way that we can have clean, friendly power that can be delivered more efficiently than everything that makes, a battery necessary. Unlike our older brands that we had, or heavier brands, Lithium is changing the game, and I think LiTime is leading the way.